Jesus, you are so beautiful.
Lord Jesus, you are so beautiful, and in your person peace abides to soothe my soul. Lord Jesus, be my light and my love, though I'm in shadows of the earth, I think only above. Lord Jesus, take from me all my empty yearnings. Make me to give to you all my nights and mornings. I want a clear sky between us and a well-lit straight